Hello traders and welcome to Hit the Mark Trading's daily crude CL contract review. My name is Martin Rimes. Today's date is Monday, October 28, 2013. Hey, I'd like to ask you to check out hitthemarktrading.com, and while you're there, perusing everything we do, sign up for the weekly blog updates on the contacts page. You'll have the ability to sign up for Rooster Call. What is Rooster Call? It's our early morning email just to give you an idea of what the trading day looks like based on looking at charts and overnight news wires. Okay, so I send this out to clients. I'd like to send it to you for free. Very good. Remember, everything I mention in this recording is for your educational purposes only. Let's go to the charts. Okay, here's we're looking at a 10 range December crude chart, a 10 range bar chart. And let's back this up to the daily just a second. I'll come back to this. On the daily, you see how these channel lines are really amazing. We had 2 days out and then pop back in. That's pretty standard. Crude was helped today by Brent crude, which had a very good strong day, and it was an event that moved it. It was trouble with Libyan oil production or something like that. And so U.S. crude rose out of sympathy. Now, you can say we're consolidating this big drop here that we saw, which was totally predicted. We're consolidating this drop, okay? The important thing is, can we hold above 98 and how long? You can already see in the overnight action. They're taking it down from today's high, okay? All right. Now, it's very common. Price does it. We drop, we move up, we drop, we move up. Ebb and flow, ebb and flow. So we shouldn't be surprised at the activity here. We're looking for a reason to go short, quite honestly. So just keep your eyes peeled. Let me go look at the weekly chart, see if anything substantial is there. Okay, 97.40 hit. You see we're just at a support level. That's what's going on here, at a support level. Okay. I do measure trend, and you're seeing here that there's no trend here. It's basically flat. So price is deciding, am I going to change trend and go down, or am I going to just stay here for a while? So we've got to break below 97.40, or we're just going to expect a sideways action. And that's what crude does. You want to see proof of that? We just look at the monthly chart. Sideways is all she wrote. Okay. All right. A breakdown further takes us to that golden level of 90.60. Golden because it's hit so many times through the decade. Okay. Through the decade and more. So that's a powerful magnet pulling price down. All right. Let's look back at the intraday. Okay, here's what you're looking for tomorrow. You do have the floor pivots printed. I like that. Okay. Now, because of the action today, we have a wider range. We should expect that we could see a retest of high, which is this is a high, up to the top here. Okay. Otherwise, a breakdown is going to take us all the way to 97.80. Okay, I feel very confident about that. Now, let's just look at this over here. If we start rolling down, we need to understand that just as that 97.40 number is on the weekly chart for a reason, that is where price will likely want to settle. Okay? So the first stop is break below this line, and if we can do that with more than 3 bars below this line, then we are expecting a drop down here and potentially lower. Remember, it was an event that drove price higher. Okay, it was an event. Let's just look at Brent crude for 1 second. and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, big day, big day. Okay, so Brent is stuck in a sideways channel. U.S. crude is going to rise in sympathy because it can't rise on anything else. That's important. That's very important. Major demand destruction going on in crude. Okay, so if we rise higher, maybe hit even 100, we're expecting a pullback. That's going to be the time to really jump in on new shorts. I'll talk to you tomorrow.